What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video, and today we're here with the 77. Yesterday we painted it all. We did the grill, we put those lights on, did the grill, and then painted it. And today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be cleaning it because it's a mess inside and it's got a lot of junk in the back, as you guys can see. It's got a big mess and everything, and we're gonna be connecting the stereo so the speakers work on here and everything. So make sure to stay tuned and see the transformation of this truck. Alright guys, we're just done cleaning the back of the truck. As you guys can see, we moved everything that was over here in the back. Now we're gonna do the interior, so make sure to stay tuned because we're gonna connect some speakers. What's up? We're here with the truck guy. What's up?
Do I go to Tucson with me right now?
We're going to Tucson?
You wanna go with me?
I guess.
I need to
For
put
what?
some wheels. I just found a good deal on some wheels for the Jimmy.
For the Jimmy?
Some rally wheels.
Shit, what do you guys think? Should we go?
I wanna go alone.
Yeah, I guess we're going, guys. We're gonna leave this job for when we come back from Tucson because a deal just came up for some wheels on this gym right here. It's for sale, right, Oscar?
Yep. 15 grand.
It's for sale for 15 grand, guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure to hit us up on the Instagram page, and I'll leave our Instagram right here in the bottom. Alright guys, we just made it to Tucson. We're about to pick up some wheels, and we're here with the Honda, so I don't know how this is gonna work, Oscar.
Oh, a little fit. If not, you're gonna carry one.
Ah, shoot.
Get all dirty.
To carry one. Look, race stirrup in this Honda right here, and it's a small car, so we'll find out how this is gonna work, so make sure to stay tuned. Alright guys, we just got the tires. We got 3 right here, and then we got one in the trunk. So that's how we started doing it. That's the only way we could do it, right?
Yeah.
That's
Unless you wanted to carry one.
That's the only way we could do it, and I didn't want to carry one because I'm wearing white and I'm wearing gray shorts. So I really didn't want to carry one and get all dirty. So now we're heading home. Alright guys, we had to stop in for some In-N-Out. Oscar already ate his. I was driving to the gas station so he could eat his hamburger. We got some fries in here. So yeah, I'm about to eat, and I think tomorrow we're gonna work on the stereo on the blue truck, so make sure to stay tuned. This is the end of this video, so make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a